What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, RnB getting dropped off. I told y'all, man, we're going to the doctor. We going into surgery. It's time to go under the knife. It's time to go under the knife. She ain't gonna be slow no more. Slow no more. We might have to get you. We're gonna call her RnB remix. We're gonna have to call her RnB remix or something. Cause she ain't gonna be slow no more. I can't wait to get this thing back. I can't wait to get this thing back, man. So I'm finna drop this bad boy off at Lawless. I got my tuner laptop in there. I gotta check time and all that. Cause we're gonna have to put this thing back. Everything needed in this box. This stuff right here finna change the game. We got the studs. Cause we finna be making some power. Some power. I'm telling y'all know our dyno with this combo said 300 real wheel horsepower. On the head, 300. Boop. Probably would realistically probably been like 306, 305. We had a float problem. Spin gas out the carburetor. But it still made 300 to the wheel, so we're gonna say 300. But after this, y'all know I just wanted it to be my 400 horsepower car. So y'all just know it's going down. We got this. We got the good studs. I mean, look, we got the good studs. We already got the good axles back there. The good carrier. We got the timer chain gasket. New fuel pump, cause we gonna need more fuel. And we got that thing that's gonna change the game. Good intake gaskets with them big ports, and we got the rear main seal, which that's what had been leaking. That's what leaks on this car, the rear main seal. But y'all know I still drive it. I still drive it. So that's enough of that. Let's get over here to Lawless, man. See what he got going on, and see what's over there too. And we're gonna check back in, y'all. Alright, y'all, just got the autos on. Finna pick some oil up. Cause I thought about it, I said need oil. When we change everything out, we gotta drain the oil, obviously. So we get that, bought the nitro bottle too, cause we need to refill the nitro bottle from the track day with Dolo, even though it went hidden. But I purged I purged most of it out, messing with the valve. So we can go in here, get the oil change stuff, and I need to get the front rotors too, cause I'm about to change the front rotors. But I'm gonna wait till the week of to change them, cause y'all know that's a quick little job. Rotors and calipers, they got to order. So we gonna get these off here for right now. Then later on, I'm gonna go and change and put the slide in the drill just cause I want to. So let's go ahead and get that stuff. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, just made it over here to Lawless. Trying to get my laptop powered on so I can check the timing and all of that. Just make note of where it's at currently, cause it run perfect. And like I said, it been tuned. If you've been watching the video the whole time, y'all know this car been tuned by my friend Forrest, man. Shout out to him. So, and it run perfect, man. 93, pump gas friendly and all that. So I definitely wanted to continue to be. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to plug into the box and see where everything running, cranking up and all that. See where the initial at and all that good stuff, you know. And just save the file too. Basically, I think I have already, but just to be sure, make sure I save the file, then I can just load it right back up and go from there. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get that done, then I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking back in, man, checking in. So look, this what I got going on right now. So, man, I was plugged up, right, trying to check everything, to say the tune, make sure the car won't start all of a sudden. Went up on there, man, make sure, well, I know I got gas, but I was checking to make sure the carburetor won't flood it, cause I know if I kept paying the gas, I was gonna flood it, and it warm. But the wires behind the MSD was a little loose. Cause y'all see my cord so short, man. I run my cord through the bottom, but it's too short. So when I get home, I'm about to change it, man. This is a serial to USB. Cause y'all know it use a serial connector on the box. It ain't using no USB connection. So look how short that cord is. I had to drop the glove box, just to get it to hook up so I can at least stretch it out to see. So I'm about to go order a longer one of these, man, and change this. This ain't it. And I actually got one at the house, but it's for brown coat though. Cause brown coat use a series of USB too. But I'm finna crank this thing up, man, get it all checked over and all this stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. Had to go back home, get the truck. But look, man, I'm finna tell Jesse put this on, man. I'm gonna see what his hand skill hitting like, man. We're gonna see if he win, boy. I want everybody to try this thing out, boy. This thing here too fun, man. So I'm tell him to put this on, man. I'm see what it hitting like. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. Look, hey, Jess, I told him, hey, man, but before we go, hey, you gotta try this.
What the hell is that?
You ain't tried this before? Hey, man, look, it's the virtual reality.
Oh shit!
It's the boxing, man. We gotta see what you hitting like. I told guys, yeah, it got everything on it. It real. It look real. Really? What you in the corner for? You want? Look,
you gonna try to?
Hey, Leah, you want to see what your hand skill like? We want to put him on video because we want to.
I'm running to the wall and something.
We might not need to put David on that then. But we're gonna take back there. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So I just got finna help him Jess with some stuff. He might have time to do it today, might not. But if he don't, we definitely gonna catch him. But man, y'all see RnB over there, looking pretty. I can't wait to hear, man, when she get back, when she get done. So say it, man, shouldn't be long. I'm finna go to the house now and order some stuff, cause I got to order the fittings, go in the fuel pump and stuff like that. So we got to get some more parts. I went to AutoZone. Like I said, when I went to AutoZone, I got the oil for it, cause you know we're gonna have to have that, and I got the rotors and stuff, like I'm telling y'all. But then I thought about it. I said, man, I gotta get the fuel fittings to go in the. You know what? I think I got them. Cause I'm about to have to change that fuel line on there too. They just come with it, man. When you do upgrades and you're trying to make something faster, you gotta change everything around it, man. So I got everything I need. I'm gonna see if I can get it. Man, and if I can get it now, cool. If I can't, I'm just gonna use the fuel line I got for meat and do that, and then order another one for meat, cause I got a little time on meat. I really got a 1/2-inch fuel line on meat already. It's just not a braided line, it's an actual aluminum fuel line, but I got a 1/2-inch line. I mean, so even with that worst case scenario, meats won't be starting for fuel, cause I got a 1/2-inch fuel line. It's just that I'm gonna do a braided, look better, and I don't know, I just like it better. But anyway, we're gonna get back to the house and get this stuff ordered, and then Jesse called back, man. We'll run back over here and stuff if I ain't got nothing going on, and we'll see what he hitting like on that Oculus. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking in, man, checking in. So back at the house, like I said, man, I hate y'all to get to see the Oculus action, but we'll get it another day. But got back and got some packages. I just randomly buy little stuff I need. This came from Summit, and let me get it out. I just been need some filler gauges so you can set the valves and stuff, set the lash on the valves. And I was like, man, I had been needing these, so I finally got them. Like I said, they got the bend in them, so you know, make it a little easier. So I like that. So I bought them filler gauges. And these right here, I ain't gonna open them. These clips for windshield clip for wifey car. So they hold the trim back on, and I got her a new trim, windshield trim coming in, so she all squared away for that. And I gotta go take them by the shop. Called the car at Unk Shop, man. Joe Buddy Racing. About to get wifey right in the game. All of that. It's gonna be some more stuff she getting done. Y'all check that out on her vlog channel and all of that. But say RnB gone. Man, we got 2 of the car gone right now at the moment. Emma gone and RnB. Basically the G bodies. The G bodies out of here. So RnB, man, it finna go under the knife like right away. They probably gonna start on it tomorrow actually. They probably gonna start on tomorrow, cause the car show is next week. Car show next week, man. So I got to crunch time. Crunch time. Got to get ready. Dolo already ready to go. Like I said, I can't paint it right now. Interior can't get done, none of that. I'll probably be doing it soon. I actually probably getting the interior done on my car and wifey car at the same time, because they needed the treatment the worst. I ain't really studying paint. Y'all know J Hall Automotive gonna get the paint knocked out fast. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the interior situated first, cause especially on Dolo. Dolo even worse than wifey car. Cause her car, everything works. Windows and stuff roll down and all that, which is a manual car. So her car gonna be a breeze. Once it get done, it's done. Dolo got some electrical stuff. So you gotta change the power window motor, get the power door locks working. Y'all know I want to convert over to regular seat belts on the pillars. So Dolo is a job when it comes to interior. The back seat still got to be fabricated in, and I got to get the seat belt extenders to bring the seat belt so you can use the seat belt. There's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna get on that, man, right after the car show. Like I said, next week it's gonna be huge, and man, I'm ready for it, man. I'm looking forward to it. So I probably won't be bringing my car to no tracks this week. Might hit House of Hook. Probably hit House of Hook this weekend. I won't be bringing nothing out, man. The car's gonna sit, cause I got the car show coming up, so I ain't gonna be doing too much of nothing in the cars as of now. Like I said, they probably just gonna be sitting. And yeah, man, if you able to make it, come out to the car show, man, my hometown. Like I said, you'll be able to see the whole fleet with the exception of meat. And yeah, you know, that's it, man. They're gonna wrap this video up, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.